My approach was like that. I have heard from many teachers that maybe first 10 question might be like a bit difficult. So I started from 150th question and it was really easy. I got a confidence from that.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Pritesh Singh, National Level Surgery Faculty and Faculty of Surgery at Prepladder. With me is Dr. Minali Khandelwal, who secured 227 marks in December 2021 exam of FMG. So congratulations, Minali.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Tell us something about yourself.
I'm Dr. Minali Khandelwal. I scored 227 marks in recent FMG exam. I've studied from Avicenna Tajik State Medical University. So that is it. And thanks for the introduction, sir.
Okay, I was there in Tajikistan for taking lectures.
Yes. Actually, when I have taken first time surgery class, it was live only. I haven't seen on the app, and it was first exposure, but it was very good.
Okay.
I was sitting on the very first bench, and I had a small notebook, and you told me you will write surgery in this one. So next day I bought a big one.
Right. So it was very good experience actually of having so many students in Tajikistan. Okay. Please share your exam experience. Means how was the question paper? What was the weightage of questions? What was your approach in the exam?
Actually, exam was quite easy, and my approach was like that. I have heard from many teachers that maybe first 10 question might be like a bit difficult. So I started from 150th question, and it was really easy. I got a confidence from that, and then I did. Then some question came like they were a bit difficult. I didn't knew them. Actually, they were not difficult, but it was difficult for me because I didn't knew them.
Okay.
Then again, I started from first, and I was confident that okay, I can do it.
Right. So please share your strategy of preparation. Means when did you actually start your preparation?
Actually, I did from the last year, 5th year from the university itself.
Okay.
And that was on and off actually preparation. Not like too good because, we live outside and we have many work there. But when I came to India, after like 4-5 days, I started my preparation very well.
Okay.
I watched video after coming, and in two months, I watched videos very well. And I also did the questions after each and every videos. I used to do questions. Then after that, I just revised, not watched video again. Because once it comes into your mind, it's like, this.
Right.
So that's my strategy.
Okay. So per day, I mean, how much time you were spending in watching videos and how much time you actually spend in solving MCQs or questions?
I used to watch, like I used to have some targets. I will do surgery in this much days. Then I have to do it.
Right.
Then it gives a kind of serotonin,
Right.
That in 7 days you have to do this subject and you did it.
Right.
Then you have a pleasure.
Yes,
So
it gives you a stimulus to move forward. Actually, whenever you are going to complete some target within stipulated period of time, it gives you momentum. It gives you a stimulus that yes, I can do it further, and I can apply the same skill, same principle with other subjects also.
Yes. So I used to watch like not more. I used to like 6-7 hours. I used to watch videos.
Okay.
Then I to revise it also. Because like when we watch videos, then we revise instantly at that day only. Then we will have a good memory in our brain.
Right.
So that is.
तो कितना टाइम you were actually spending in revision? Revision में आपको कितना टाइम लगता था? And how much time you were actually spending in revision per day?
Per day, actually, in this 6 month, I was totally into my studies.
Okay.
Nothing else, no social media, nothing really. So how much I could have given, I did it. Like now I'm like study, I have to study.
Right.
That is it. No friends.
100%.
Even I tried.
Right.
Because when we try and if we do not get that result, then also, if fail and pass, it's life. We can. Right. But if we do not try, it'll be bad, na? So that's why.
Bilkul. And what was your frequency of solving mock test? Kitna frequently you were solving mock test?
Actually, to be honest, I did 2 mock tests only
Only 2 mock
because
tests?
I sometimes get depressed.
अच्छा, वो
So when
स्कोर
I
देख के बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का ये होता है अप्रोच दैट व्हेन यू सी द स्कोर आफ्टर appearing for grand test or mock test, then you feel a bit depressed.
yes, I have that because once I have given mock test, then I left it in between because I was like, I if I will get less, then I will not study
Right,
and I will my time because of that.
right, right,
But
right.
it's not for scores, it's for your sitting capacity.
Your sitting capacity, your examination skill, your performance under
Yes,
pressure. तो ये practice बहुत
yeah,
जरूरी है. Right,
actually
right.
I
So
could
what
have
was your
scored better,
score? What was your score in the mock test?
actually I left in between, but
You left in
I
between.
once I did complete, it was 180, and
180.
I was like, I talked with my friend that I have got 180 only, how I will pass and like that. Then I saw some videos of teachers. They were sharing you should not see the
Bother about
marks.
the score, yes. Because that is
Practice
for
karo.
practice, बिल्कुल.
Yes, yes.
So it is a sincere
But
advice for all the students who are watching the video कि grand test आपको या mock test देना ही देना है. Don't bother about the
yeah,
score. क्योंकि वो आपके प्रैक्टिस के लिए है so that you can manage your time properly in the exam, how you perform under pressure. तो एक हम लोग टाइमर लेके अगर उसको या वॉच क्लॉक लेके प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, it is best. And don't bother about the score. Slowly it keeps on improving.
yes, sir, comfortable भी feel होता है एग्जाम देने के टाइम पे फिर.
Actually that you had this kind of experience, तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा डर नहीं लगेगा उससे. Right.
हाँ,
And who are your
yes,
favorite teachers in Prep Ladder Dream Team?
Dr. Pritesh, Dr. Govind Rai Garg, and Dr. Deepak Marwa. So these are like my favorite ones.
Okay. And what did you like
Yeah.
about them?
The knowledge they are having a huge knowledge, and they make the thing easy. So, and direct question came from like, that was awesome, seriously. When I was doing the exam, from where like crypts, there was a question there, na? You
Yes.
taught us there. I was like, Pritesh sir told us this. So it was awesome.
Right. And what is your favorite feature in the app?
After every video, there are questions.
Okay.
That is perfect.
Right.
And this is my favorite one.
And tell us something about your dreams. Means what do you want to get in life? What do you want to achieve? What are your dreams?
Actually, I keep micro goals. Like first I did for NCI, then now I will go for PG,
Right.
and I want to be a radiologist basically.
Right.
So I will now I will prepare for my PG from Prep Ladder itself.
Right.
Now I that is it for now.
Okay. So see,
Yes.
actually, I in this interaction, what I make out that you are applying the most solid principles of life. One of the principle of success is that you should be having short, achievable goals per day, right? And you
Yes.
did it. That for first 7 days
Yes.
you tried to complete surgery and you did it. Then you have another achievable target and you did it. And first foremost target was cracking this exam and passing MCI. You did it. Now your next
Yes.
target is, yes, cracking the NEET PG. And after that,
Yes.
being a radiologist. So this is the approach which even we people are applying in our life. Suppose we are doing something. So we are having small or short achievable goals for day, for month, for the year. And if you keep working like this, obviously you are going to achieve whatever you want. So at
Yes.
last, I want to ask you that please share some of your advices, your strategies with FMG aspirants.
Actually, one thing I want to make it clear, the exam was really easy. We usually get in panic because of this exam, that it might be hard, it might be like this. It was doable. Even if you have studied in last 6 months only, then also you can do it.
Right.
And some of my friends haven't passed. They were asking me what was your strategy and all. I just told that do the videos once and then revise, keep on revising,
Right.
keep on revising till the last day.
Right.
And don't be panic at all, because I myself was really panic. I would have done better if I was not, but it's okay now. I'm satisfied that I have got a good marks and I am
Right.
talking to you. That is really a pleasure.
So congratulations, Minali, once again.
Thank you, sir.
It was an awesome interaction. I hope that most of the FMG aspirants are going to take lots of tips, tricks, advices from you, and they are going to follow. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.